Welcome to our in-depth journey into the complex world of climate change. Over the next 4 minutes, we'll unravel the mechanisms behind this pressing issue and explore what it means for our planet and future generations. Imagine Earth as a delicate ecosystem, finely balanced to support life as we know it. At the heart of this balance is the greenhouse effect. When sunlight enters our atmosphere, some of it is reflected back into space, while the rest is absorbed by the Earth's surface, warming it. But here's where it gets interesting. The Earth then emits this absorbed energy as infrared radiation. However, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap some of this outgoing radiation, preventing it from escaping into space. This trapped heat keeps our planet cozy and habitable. This is the greenhouse effect in action. Now let's fast forward to the Industrial Revolution. As human societies began burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy, we unleashed a flood of additional greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This surge has thickened the metaphorical blanket around our planet, intensifying the greenhouse effect and leading to global warming. As temperatures rise, we're witnessing a cascade of environmental impacts. Ice caps and glaciers are melting at unprecedented rates, leading to rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities worldwide. Extreme weather events, from hurricanes to droughts, are becoming more frequent and severe, wreaking havoc on ecosystems and human infrastructure. But here's the kicker. We're not powerless in the face of climate change. By reducing our carbon footprint through energy efficiency, transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and embracing sustainable practices in agriculture and industry, we can mitigate the worst effects of global warming. Furthermore, protecting and restoring forests, which act as natural carbon sinks, can help absorb excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, providing a valuable tool in our fight against climate change. But addressing climate change isn't just about mitigating its impacts, it's also about adaptation and resilience. Communities around the world are already implementing strategies to adapt to changing climate conditions, from building seawalls to protect against rising sea levels to implementing drought-resistant agricultural techniques. Ultimately, tackling climate change requires a collective effort. Every individual, community, and nation must play their part in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and building a more sustainable future for all. So let's take action today, whether it's reducing our energy consumption, advocating for climate-friendly policies, or supporting renewable energy initiatives. Each of us has a role to play in shaping the future of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complexities of climate change. Together, let's work towards a healthier, more resilient planet for generations to come. As we conclude this exploration of climate change, remember that the power to create positive change lies within each of us. By taking action today, we can build a brighter, more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. For more insights, tips, and updates on how you can contribute to the fight against climate change, subscribe to Genius Infusion, your go-to source for environmental news and solutions. Stay connected with us on social media for daily inspiration and community engagement. Together, let's continue to learn, advocate, and take meaningful action towards a healthier, more resilient planet. Subscribe to Genius Infusion now, and join us in shaping a sustainable future for all.